Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Womeyork, and it is a outdoor flamethrower. Okay, this is gonna be cool. So I've looked at it already, so I kind of have an idea of how it works, but we have to assemble it. And we can assemble it this way, so it's gonna be like this, or we have with an extender if we wanna go really long, but I don't need to go really long. We're inside the kitchen here. We can go short. There's this little piece here, which would be a converter if you needed it to go from this to a different type of tank. I don't have that type of tank, so we will not use that. And then here's a little wrench, I guess, to tighten this stuff up if you really want to be super tight. Was that going? Oh, there we go that way. So there we go. And we are about ready to go here. I'll screw this on. And we have a little lighter here, a little sparker. So that creates the spark. And then here is the valve to turn it on. So I can turn it on. And holy mackerel. Okay. Check that out. Oh my gosh. This is like the greatest thing ever. Wow. Okay, that is super cool. So if you need it for a flamethrower, this is the thing to get, man. Holy mackerel. That is awesome. Okay, you can use this if you need to start like a long fire, like a brush fire or something like that, man. You could use this and it'll work good. You saw it lit up immediately. It comes with a little sparker and everything. So I'm gonna say this is super awesome. Thumbs up.